So it challenges the very foundation of modern architecture principles and practice. And it depends of technology, artificial world, also how we depend of this technology, how we were depending of artificial climate, and the idea of domination over the environment, and forces us to rethink everything. I think this fact or these projections will force us to rethink everything. From territorial scale down to construction details. It's just everything together. And I see it's an urgent call to recover forgotten knowledge. We need to maybe go and look at the past and to look again at geography, vegetation, shade, orientation, thickness, and to accept the architecture must stop being a form of resistance against climate and become a way of making a pact with it. So I think it's a very, very powerful tool. I adapt those lessons by combining, this kind of ancient or popular knowledge, but also mixing and thinking together with contemporary modern tools. Also with digital modeling, like these kind of things, or rapid prototyping, low-tech or high-tech experimentations, and without losing, that's what something is very important for me, never losing the common sense logic. But I think it's a generation that is that has no longer the luxury of of ignoring the context. What's the first thing that we need to start with? And I don't know if climatist is the good or the right word, but I think I recognize that the practice now, my practice and the practice of my colleagues, no matter if they are in South America or they're here, is defined by the responsibility we need to take, we need to absorb. And it's the climate, but it's also the culture, it's a crisis. An architecture that doesn't seek to impose a vision. We are not doing that anymore. We are trying to I don't know, we are in this moment that we need to be humble, but also we need to be ambitious because we have a lot of defining moments to face. And but we need to, I think we are a generation that is driven by activating process. We work more in this kind of sense. And we need to maybe to recognize it, to visualize that we are no longer one guy architect, we are a group. And I think a dynamic that is very, very positive for now, for this moment. And if that implies a new genealogy or a new name or a new label, that's cool. But I'm really more interested in the attitude than the label. We need to develop the attitude.